Hey pioneers, did you know that Pi Network has launched a $100 million fund to support builders, innovators, and entrepreneurs like you? It's called the Pi Network Ventures, and it is designed to invest in real projects that help grow the Pi ecosystem and bring more utility to our Pi coins. So whether you are building a dApp, running startup, or just have a solid idea, this could be your chance to secure funding and go big inside the Pi ecosystem. So, how do you actually apply for Pi Ventures funding? Let me walk you through the step-by-step process of filling out the application form. It's simple, but you'll want to make sure you get every detail right. Let's dive in. In the official blog site, they gave us the link to the form. So here, just click on this one and you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, it's a Google form, so make sure that you are signed in. So actually, I don't have an app or I don't have any applications to enroll, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to input just dummy information. So first is going to check that one. Second be, so the email will be included with my response. And then here, section is about your company. So for this one, I'm just going to copy and paste. Then about my company, so one sentence. Then here, if there are URLs, this is just a dummy data. Describe your company in words. Actually, this one. The one sentence pitch of the company. And then if you have a live application to your website, then you can also add it. Now if your demo needs credentials or login credentials. Now let's talk about the problems that we are trying to solve. And then what are our competitors? Or who are our competitors? Now go to the business model. And then the metrics. Now let's use so my company is based on the Philippines. Have you formed a legal entity for this one? Just say yes. Have you taken a price? You currently fund sitting? The answer is yes. And then if you have a pitch deck representation and should be crypto native. So basically just build out your company information, and then if you have a live demo of the app, add the link and then what the problems that the app is trying to solve, business model, and then let's click next. And then here we have another form, more on the funder or the founder of the company. So again, we're just going to um, add a dummy data. So here, let's just paste link in. Let's just, again, these are just dummy data. Then we have also resume. Just paste that one. Paste. Sorry. This should be here. And then here it's optional, but here the resume. So I just added a random file here, and then let's click next. And here's another form about Pi Network Ventures. It's more on why do you want to collaborate with them. Again, this is just a dummy answer. So first is why do you want to work with the Pi Ventures, and the benefits that our company will provide to the Pi ecosystem, and what are the plans to integrate Pi in the business. Here this is optional, but can just add our answer. Let's submit, and basically that's it. Now you know exactly how to apply for a slice of the $100 million Pi Network Ventures Fund. Whether you're building a dApp, launching a startup, or already running a Pi-powered business, this is your chance to level up and bring your ideas to life. Remember, don't just hold Pi, build with it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next Pi Network update. I'd love to hear about your project. See you in the next video. Keep building and keep mining.